Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be assembling this 8-tier heavy duty pot rack for stacking pots in a cabinet. And let's open this up and see what we're working with. So I picked up this one on Amazon, and I think it was under about 30 bucks. But they did have cheaper ones and a lot more expensive ones, but this was the only one that was rated for heavy duty. So hopefully it actually is what they claim it is. It does come with hardware and tools. Alright, just initially looking at it, I was expecting something a little bit more robust, but yeah, it does look stronger than the other ones, so let's see here. So it looks like there's 4 short and 4 long. And then these apparently just slide over like that. I guess it comes with a spare. Alright, so let's set this up. Oh, I don't... Seems fine. Alright, let's put these plugs in. Let's put our caps on. Oh, that works. And then okay. I mean, so far it seems pretty sturdy. So that's a pretty tall stock. Alright, in the interest of saving space, because my cabinet depth is only 23 on the inside, I think what we're going to do is just keep putting the short ones on there. That doesn't want to go in there. Well, Okay, so well, you can see that this was welded poorly so that this doesn't actually engage because this tab here is in front of there. So, well, one of the shelves is junk. Well, see, this one's good. See, if you look at the inside of here, the bar stops behind here. And not so much on that one. So, that's not usable. And if you did need all of them, yeah, I would suppose that would be a problem. And hopefully we don't, but... I'm hoping... Well, we might have to raise this one up. Yeah, probably worked pretty good. I would say, because this doesn't come back farther than halfway, this just has a tendency to fall. But since it's on the top shelf, it should be fine. I mean, it does seem better than some of the other ones out there, but you know, it's still kind of flimsy, I guess. I don't know. We'll try it out and see how well it works. Alright, so what's my review on this? You know, this is made for, or advertised for cast iron pots and pans, which are significantly heavier than these stamped stainless pots and pans. I would say for these, I would say it's okay. For cast iron, I'd be a bit concerned about. And it's not falling, but there's definitely a lot of movement to it. And other than one of the shelves being made incorrectly, so that the fact that you can't even use it. Let's see this other one here. This other one looks fine. And they did provide an extra screw and the Allen key to put it all together. You know, fitment on the rest of it seems fine. The pots, other than this large one here, and if you push it off to the front, it'll support it. Yeah, I mean, it's usable. It's not the worst one out there, but it's definitely not the best one either. So, would I buy it again? Sure. That's it for this one. Assembly on it's really easy. Well, until next time, thanks and take care.